Watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this. Oh, okay, it does. Hold on, it doesn't open.
All right.
Okay, watch this, watch this.
I'm watching.
Okay. Hold on, hold on.
That's really smooth.
It is, it is. Watch this. Hold on. Oh! Look at this. Look at how you get it. Dude, suicide doors.
I mean,
come on.
welcome to the shop. My name is Jared.
And my name is Tavarish.
And this is Wrench Every Day. Today, we're going to get back to work on our 1990 300ZX with this nice new wide body.
Are you sure about that?
Well, that's what you told me.
Okay. What if I told you we have a new project?
A new project when we're not quite done with the Forgotten project?
What if I told you that I have something over here?
Okay. That's a car cover.
Okay, so. What do you think? Okay, you guys, what do you think is underneath here? Okay,
Wait.
Look at it.
Freddie.
Yeah.
He told me he was holding that for a friend and he didn't buy it.
I bought it. This is gonna be for the channel. What do you think? So it's a Lexus GS 300.
We have 3 different colors just in the front.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
But just take a look at it. Look at those wheels.
They're wheels.
Okay. These are a little. I mean, they're a little rusted. To be honest.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be shiny.
Yeah. Okay. But take a look at this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Oh, okay. It does. Hold on. It doesn't open.
All right.
Okay. Watch this. Watch this.
I'm watching.
Okay. Hold on.
That's really smooth.
It is. It is. Watch this. Hold on. Oh! Look at this. Look at how you get it. Dude, suicide doors.
I mean,
come on.
That's like +1 on a cool.
Check out the interior.
Okay, diamond stitch. That's
okay. This is a complete VIP package. We have our shades.
Okay.
Come on, man. You have to break everything. Now you gotta. Well, now it's a handkerchief. But
I mean, you're gonna need to wipe a lot of things driving around this.
Okay. So honestly, what do you think?
I mean, my wife used to race a nitrous-powered GS.
Okay.
This doesn't look like a nitrous-powered GS.
You wanna hear what it sounds like?
Sure. Is it a hybrid?
Battery's dead.
It's the new Cyber GS.
Okay. We'll pop the hood though. Hood's popped. Either that or I think the thing's broken.
It's
not open?
It's not open.
Oh, hold on. I think I gotta pull this really hard. Okay.
Oh, there we go. There. Oh,
I got no faith. You got no faith.
2JZ.
Yeah, that's right. So
I retract my previous statement. Although these did come with a 2JZ normally, that's a turbo 2JZ.
Yes, this is a GTE. This is a non-VVTi. Has a big single turbo. Has a standalone engine management unit. Not a bad way to spend $10,000.
Please tell me you didn't spend $10,000.
I did not spend $10,000.
Okay.
So this is. I'd love to have this as a project for the channel. I don't know. I mean, I feel like I don't have enough projects. So why don't we just do this one? So if you guys want, like, honestly, what I think we can do, we can take off that single turbo. We can put everything sort of back to stock and just make this a nice little grocery getter that looks kind of cool. You know, what do you think?
I'm not quite sold. We've got a lot to do, and we could just keep a single turbo. Like there's not a lot of room. Or how about we just get an Aristo?
What do you mean?
They're legal for import.
Nah, I don't want to do that. But okay, before we make any decisions, let's push this out, and I want to show you this entire.
Yeah,
car.
try to sell me on it, because I'm.
Come on, I mean, just look at it. Look, this is good. This is nice.
It's.
It's.
All
right. So give it a little push.
Like all of Freddy's projects, they start with a good push.
Every good project starts on the back of the tow truck. That's a fact.
I mean, we have Aristo-ish taillights. We have at least 2 flat tires.
That's a good noise to come from the tires. Alright, I think that's good.
Okay.
So, first of all, come over here.
All right.
Check out this magnificence. So, you know...
Hey, what is that dent from right here?
it's probably from the door.
There's a nice dent there.
Yep, so that's the door.
Okay.
But look at this. Look at...
I mean...
I like how they welded this with just expert precision.
I mean, some boogers.
Okay, yeah.
I mean, but it is there.
What's in the trunk? How do you open up the trunk?
It's power, so you'll need your key.
Okay. Key?
I mean, the seats are nice, and the floor mats, I mean, that's about the best part so far.
Check this out. Got a bunch of books.
All right.
SEAL Team and Chilton Repair Manual for small appliance repair and maintenance.
That's what we need.
Uh-huh.
Wolfpack.
Wolfpack. We have
Oh, some board games. All right.
nice.
Hey.
Live your passion. We definitely will. And
That's where the factory amp would go.
there's a big system.
Oh, wow.
Big
Yeah.
honkin' subwoofer in there.
Yeah.
This was somebody's. This was like somebody's actual project, and now it is our project.
Hey, a jack.
Look.
We should probably keep that.
Nah, we should just drive all the time without them. So the frame is straight, hasn't been hit in the back at least.
All right. I mean, there's a bunch of just wires.
Yeah.
That's always exciting, but yeah, it looks pretty good.
I'm telling you, man, it's not too bad. But what I'm thinking is, we take off all the Hot Boy stuff.
All right.
No Hot Boy stuff. And then we just make it into like a luxury-ish car that you can drive every day. You know, like kind of like a cool cruiser. Because I don't honestly, I don't need to make like a lot of noise and make a billion horsepower.
Yeah. Or we could just lop all of this off like that, and it could be the Wrench Everyday truck.
Jared, I'm over here being like serious. I buy a car and I show it to you, and you're over here talking about some trucks. Listen, man.
All right, let's take a seat in the back here. Let me. I mean, leg room is ample. There's ample leg and headroom.
You look very, very comfortable.
I feel like I'm flying on an airline.
Okay.
Let's see. Okay.
Shade, come on.
I mean,
Yeah, look at that.
it has some charming.
You're in the lap of luxury, my friend.
Door doesn't want to open.
Okay, there we go. Yeah, you got to hit it a little bit.
Yeah, you just.
Don't go too far. You're gonna go straight into the quarter panel.
I mean, it at least doesn't smell like swamp in there.
Okay.
I think it's the cleanest car you've bought on the interior. So.
Right.
I mean, someone cared about it. It needs stuff, but that needs stuff.
So what I'm thinking is we can probably put that on the back burner for a little bit, and then just work on this because I mean, just look at it. Honestly, I want to make it. I want to make it stock. I don't do that enough, and a lot of people are saying, "Hey, why aren't you like, restoring cars instead of like modifying them?" So maybe I do stock, and then like we just kind of. I'm not saying forget about that, but just like not do that for a little bit.
We just finally brought it out, and I'm sold on that project. And then you bring in like the Toyota family product that I like, and now you're telling me to leave the 300 I just started to enjoy.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because honestly, okay, so this is gonna be a V8. That's going to be inline 6. We'll just spruce up the engine. I don't want this to turn into that Supra. That Supra is like, makes a lot of power and a lot of noise. I want this to be quiet and refined and luxurious. Can we do that?
Like Lexus is supposed to be?
Yeah.
What we could do is buy another one that doesn't have suicide doors and other bad project parts.
Right.
But then we end up with another car, and we don't need any more. I'm still.
Why are you saying we don't need any more cars, Jared?
I'm confused still because it just goes back. You kept explaining this off. Oh, I'm storing it for a friend.
Yeah.
You've got to be honest in this relationship.
Yes, I sort of lied about that, but it should be okay. Also, the wheels are the wheels aren't great and the tires are bald and also flat. So maybe you guys can let us know what you want us to do with this car. Honestly, I just want to make it stock. I want to just have a cool little Lexus to drive around. Maybe have it be like a little bit more power than stock, but not too much. You know, just have something that's attainable by the average person instead of this like wide body nonsense.
Although that's attainable. Like, let's be real.
This is
a very affordable build at this point.
Yes.
Well, I'm pretty sure anyone can jump on Facebook Marketplace and get a $1,200 GS. So
okay, so let's let people decide. So we'll read the comments, and in the next episode we'll see what people say about this build and whether you want, you know, a stock-ish Lexus or we can do something else. But I bought a car and Jared can't do anything about it, so oh well.
I'm really happy that, you know, you're taking it so well. But I think we could probably make it something cool, and it's, I know that you really want to do something with it also. It's, I just wanted to say thanks that you're being so cool about it.
yeah, I mean, you seem kind of excited about it. So you got to support your friends and kind of what they like. So.
Yeah. That's what I think. I think so too. So. All right, dude. So I guess I'll see you later.
Okay, sounds good. We'll see you a bit. I appreciate you giving me the day off too.
Well, I mean, you know, it's up to you. You can do whatever you want, but I figure we'll get to work tomorrow.
All right, sounds good. I'll talk to you.
All right, see you. Bye.
Well, hopefully he still takes it all right.